Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build a napkin holder out of mahogany and maple. I start by cutting some 50 centimeter long pieces of mahogany and maple that measure 1.4 by 1 centimeter. I cut 6 pieces of mahogany and 4 pieces of maple. Now I have all the pieces I need for the walls of the napkin holder. Time to start gluing. The first thing I do is glue together 2 pieces of mahogany and a piece of maple with a piece of maple in the middle. Then I take 3 pieces of mahogany and 2 pieces of maple and glue these together so that they form a striped pattern. When the glue has dried, I take one of the maple pieces that measures 1.4 by 1 centimeter into 4 equal pieces and the last piece of mahogany into 2 equal parts. Note that the last piece of mahogany should be cut so that I get 2 pieces that are approximately 25 centimeters long. I also cut the formation consisting of 2 pieces of mahogany and 1 piece of maple in half twice so that I get 4 pieces that are approximately 12.5 centimeters long. Time to start drilling. I take 4 short pieces of maple and drill these on one short side so that I get something like an inner rounding on the short sides. I use a drill that is 30 millimeters in size. When the drilling is done, I take a drilled piece and glue it together with a formation of 2 pieces of mahogany and 1 piece of maple. I glue these together so that the short side with the rounding is on the same side as the straight side of the formations. When the glue has dried, I sand the upper corner of each piece so that it becomes a rounded corner on the same short side as the inner rounding. Now I have both outer and inner corners on the 4 short pieces. Time to continue with the gluing. I take one of the mahogany pieces that is about 25 centimeters long and glue 2 short formations onto this piece. The formations should be glued so that the rounded corners point towards each other and with a distance of 6.5 centimeters. When this is done, I repeat the same steps one more time. Time to cut the pieces at a 45-degree angle. I start with the slightly shorter pieces and cut one side of these at a 45-degree angle so that there is exactly 8 centimeters left of the top part of the pieces. I also cut the short sides of a long piece at a 45-degree angle. Then I put a stop block 22.5 centimeters from the saw blade and cut the other side of the short pieces. Finally, I also cut the long piece into 2 parts that are exactly 22.5 centimeters long. I set the saw blade height to 6 millimeters and cut off 5 millimeters on the inside of the pieces. In other words, the recess on the pieces should be 6 millimeters high and 5 millimeters wide. Time to cut the bottom plate. I cut a piece of 6 millimeter thick plywood to a size of 21.5 by 21.5 centimeters. I round off the edges of the pieces before gluing them together. It's finally time to glue the pieces together one last time. I start by gluing the four walls together at 90-degree angle. Then I glue the bottom plate. After some sanding, the holder is almost finished. I protect the napkin holder with 2 layers of epoxy. After the first layer, I sand the napkin holder again and then apply the second layer. After 2 layers of epoxy, the napkin holder looks like this.